Part 6 of chapter 2. When the time was come that the Sayyid should die, he told his servant to prepare for him an ewer of warm water and to go. The water was made ready, placed in the Sayyid's room, and the servant went forth. The Sayyid called after him, "Go and proclaim that the stranger Sayyid has departed to the other world." Then he bolted the door, that none should enter to him. The servant, however, had his curiosity excited by those words, and went back to the door to listen and see what might happen. Through a chink, he saw his master perform an ablution, arrange his dress, lie down on his couch, and cry out, "All ye angels, saints, and heavens, who have at any time entrusted to me a secret, come to me now and receive back your charges. Ye are here all present." Well, you don't pray to the angels and stuff like that, but some of that stuff's a figure of speech, though. He then recited the following hymn: "God, my beloved, darling God, adored to me incline. My soul receive, intoxicate, release for me distraught. In thee alone my heart finds peace, it fire with love divine. Take it unto thyself, to it both worlds are not." These were the Sayyid's last words ere he yielded up his spirit. The servant carried the news to the Sayyid's friends, who gathered together, carried him forth, and buried him. A mausoleum was raised over his grave by a rich and powerful disciple. The departed saint would not allow a cupola to stand. Twice the dome was shaken down by earthquakes, and in a dream the Sayyid himself forbade its third edification. Well, the imprint of the memory of the individual was so strong that they knew this is wrong. Tried again, and told him dream, yeah. But earthquake or not, it has nothing to do with pleasure of the sheikh or saint or whatever. After the usual 40 days of mourning, a letter was sent to Jalal, who at once journeyed from Konya to Caesarea and prayed at the tomb of his deceased teacher, returning home afterwards. And Ya seen as Ya insan was not something that Muhammad confirmed. Because, human, basically. But first, the Quran, of course, talks to Muhammad.